guys, hey there. So how you can connect your Chromebook to TV? You can use HDMI cable. So you're gonna have Chromebook HDMI port, and what you need to do is that where you're gonna locate your Chromebook, and you're going to have the HDMI there. Then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take an HDMI cable, and then you're just gonna connect it to your TV HDMI port. That's it. Super simple. So that's how it's done, and this is how we're gonna do it. And you just want to connect it to it. So that's it. And if you're unable to do it, then you just need to have adapter. But I don't know what kind of TV you got, what kind of Chromebook you got, which version. But let's say that you have only DisplayPort on your TV, then you're gonna have like HDMI DisplayPort adapter. So have a great